Welcome to Quest Software Foglight Video Solutions. This video will cover how to install a new Foglight license. My name is John Sakalauskas, and I am a technical product specialist for the Foglight product. Depending on the availability of a valid Foglight license and your user permissions, one of the following pages appears in the display area. If your management server has a valid license, the Welcome to Foglight or the Environment Overview page appears in the browser interface. The Environment Overview page appears in Foglight for Virtualization Enterprise Edition, and the Global View Databases dashboard may appear in Foglight for Databases. This video will provide the steps on how to install a new license into the Foglight Management Console. To install a new license in the Foglight, copy the license to your desktop and then log into the Foglight Management Console. From the navigation page, change the view to the Expert view if the standard view is displayed. Navigate to Dashboards, Administration, Setup, Manage Licenses. Click the Install button, and then in the pop-up, click the Choose File button to browse and find the license file on your desktop. Then click the Install License button. Once the license has been loaded successfully, it will be listed in the bottom panel of the Manage Licenses page. To learn more about Foglight for Databases, visit support.quest.com. For quick support questions, follow us on Twitter at QuestExperts.